Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all my dear students. Hope you all are doing great. This is your English online class in which an outline syllabus is given that helps you to prepare for annual exams. Now take out your English book. Firstly, have a look on Unit 2, Flying Kites. Unit 2, Flying Kites that have been covered in July and August. Revise all the vocabulary meanings, text and grammar exercise which you have already done in your copy. Then Unit 6, Days and Months, which is about days and months you have covered in November. From Unit 6, practice all the exercises given in book and done in copy. Also have a look on Unit 10, Flying, which is covered in month of December, that also include all the exercises related to text and grammar. Then Unit 11, Chimpanzees. Unit 11, which you have been fully covered in January, go through all the exercises and learn them carefully. Then Unit 12, Checkup Time, which is about checkup time. You have covered in January, also includes all the exercises that is given book and done in copy. Then Unit 14, Jokes and Riddles, that is covered in month of March, having all text and grammar exercises. Now the last Unit 15 that you have recently covered in month of April is also included along the given exercises in book. This unit is all about workers and workplace, in which you have different profession and their duties. Here you can see translation which you have done in your copy, uses of verb, uses of adjective, uses of preposition. Do more practice. Then picture composition. Well, the picture composition are also given on book page number 6, book page number 59 and book page number 78, which you have done in your grammar copy. Also go through the definition of verb, adjectives, preposition, then all the definition. Then dictation. The dictation included from the book page number 12, 13, page number 60, 61, page number 68 and 69. Read all the pages. Here form of verbs means that all the form of verbs which you have covered in your copy will be included. Revise them properly. All the question answer, vocabulary meaning, word sentences and exercises, text and grammar will be included from the given units. In oral activity include the reading comprehension from Unit 2, Lesson 3, Unit 6, Lesson 3 and Unit 10, Lesson 3. Then general knowledge. All the general knowledge work will be included thoroughly. Learn and memorize the GK question. Okay, that's all from an English online syllabus. Revise all the mentioned work carefully and prepare yourself for exams. You have already covered all these topics earlier. Memorize and practice English grammar and English text work. Wish you all of best. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.